One of the funnest things that I do all day is math centers.
Math center is like where different people get into different groups based on what they need.
They let you learn about different strategies.
If you ever wanted some independent time, you have a station where you can do independent things, so you can do a year away.
You learn multiple things in one lesson and multiple strategies.
We have 3 centers, and you can go to them all.
I like math because you gotta stress your brain to find out the right answer. Like when you finish it, it feels really good.
Take a look at what station you are in for today.
On days when our math block gets, shortened or canceled because of a half day, the first thing they're upset about is that we did not get to math centers. And they complain about it and they're excited when we do it, and when the next day I make it a huge deal in here, like, guess what's back, guys, our math centers.
You can use any way you want to solve this.
For me, it's fantastic. I love that we're able to actually function as a classroom again and truly feel like a community. They understand that they're fluid and they move from group to group, and in our classroom, they get what they need.
So this is your student choice. You get to choose what strategy works best for your brain.
A math center can look and feel very different depending on the classroom and the population in front of you. So in this class, math station to us means that there are 3 groups that students rotate to. I think the best part about it is that they are engaged no matter what they are learning.
8 times 8? 64.
So I really identify it as a math grouping. And the reason I identify it as a math grouping is because they are groups of students that are sharing similar needs at that time. My groupings are fluid, so from one day to the next, they may be in different groups.
Remember, mistakes are opportunities to learn.
And it really allows me to tailor the instruction to the needs of my students on that very given day.
What would 1 more 7 be?
42.
There you go.
So at each station, they are learning at their own pace. They are fluid groupings that have been predetermined based on data that is collected daily.
2, 1, show your boards. Check with your elbow buddies. Did they get to see it?
I have the ability to see firsthand a small group of students in front of me and see what they're able to do well, what needs to be retaught, and what needs to actually be enriched for some students.
These are a little trickier.
While they visit all 3 centers each day, it gives 2 teachers in here a check-in with every student every math period.
Nice, Quinn.
The teacher on the carpet is our special ed teacher who pushes in and gets to work with not only identified students, but every student in here. Same goes for me as the general ed teacher. I don't just work with the general ed population during math period, I am also able to work with identified students as well. And we are a community in here, so it's fluid. There's no singling out. It's all, everybody goes to every station, and so everybody feels very comfortable no matter where they are in the room.
Again, choose whatever strategy works best for your brain.
So this has really been beneficial for my group of students this year, especially given the past 2 years with COVID and the pandemic, and how stifled some of their learning has been, just because we haven't been able to do these flexible groupings. We haven't been able to truly get them into groups where they can learn at their pace and target more efficiently and effectively and meet them where they're at.
You've already solved this. Okay, what did you get when you solved it, Declan?
So by having this flexibility of groupings and allowing them to slow the pace when necessary or speed it up so that they can do some extension on their learning, this has really benefited them to truly take ownership of their learning and progress at their own pace, feeling successful wherever it is that they are, and us teachers are allowed to meet them there.